So normally I do pellets, but I'm actually gonna do a mash today for the girls. And I'm gonna put some water in it. That way they get some extra hydration. It's technically not fermenting because I'm not doing the 2-day process, but let's see how I like it. All right, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. I basically just want it nice and soupy for them, like that, so they get some extra hydration in there. And this will also absorb a lot of the water. So even though it looks really watery right now, it's actually gonna end up absorbing a lot of it. As you can see, even after a few minutes, the feed has started to absorb the water, and just look at that amazing quality. So we'll just continue to mix it. And now we're gonna give it to them and let them enjoy it.